So I just want to start. I want you to imagine that you're like a little ant, one of these very small creatures that are almost invisible to see, but then if they bite you, they can make you tremble. So imagine when you see them, they are very, very tiny, and they are similar to everything else. So you see one, and you cannot differentiate from the other ants. So you can go back. It's like, yeah, follow. But then if you have them all together, it's impossible to see which one is number one or number two. It's not possible. So even go farther and imagine that it's like, those little ants, some of them are going to be like the regular workers, that they are just looking for food here and there, finding around. But they also exist some queens that they are just hidden in a corner, just generating more and more of those ants. But they are very similar. They don't go around with a crown and say, oh, hello, I'm the queen. So even farther if you go, they can be in one of these big forests, full of leaves and trees. And there's no way to find which ant is going to be the queen, or imagine where those are hidden. So imagine that those ants are actually tumor cells. They can really propagate everywhere, and then you can try to eliminate them, but still it's going to be some of those like queens, like a tumor queen hidden there, and then you can fumigate everything to get rid of most of them, but here they appear again. So here I go. So I'm a researcher, and I'm with all my microscopes, with all the technologies, looking for ants, and just trying to figure it out which one is actually the queen one, to manage to see how to really tackle the whole disease. So now we have a lot of evidences, and we have done many strategies, and we have a big bucket full of ants, but still they look very similar. And here we are again with our microscope. It's like, are you a queen? Maybe not. Are you a queen? Okay, probably. And just looking and looking, trying to figure it out with art. So far, we're very lucky because we have a pot that is a bit smaller, full of these potential tumor queens. So this is really a big thing that we've managed to figure it out. But still, we need to understand much. So can you imagine how much can we now advance understanding and studying these tumor queens? Thank you very much.